The term substitution comes from mathematics, and describes the replacement of one term by another. Usually this should simplify the original term. Let's first take an example from mathematics. For this we use the arithmetic term x squared plus 2 is equal to 27. If x squared is substituted by another variable, the term is simplified. Substitution can also be used in cryptography, for example. In the so-called Caesar cipher, all letters of the original alphabet are substituted by the letters of a ciphertext alphabet. The letters of the ciphertext alphabet are obtained by shifting the original letters by a predetermined number of positions in the alphabet. For example, one can shift the letters by 3 positions. The original letter, A, is then always replaced by the letter D, and the letter K by the letter N.